In this video, we are going to understand that what is bug bounty and why it matters for especially for the companies, and how can you the process. I will explain how exactly the bug bounty will work. Okay, bug bounty is a program which is run by the organizations. Why they will run this? All to find the security issues in their organization. Okay, and they will hire ethical hackers, they can hire a penetration testers, but they will announce a program. Okay, why? Because ethical hacking and penetration testing takes so much of time. Okay, this is why the bug bounty matters for a company especially. Okay, and also the penetration testing is also takes a 1 to 2 weeks to complete those all. Okay, those all the steps and all, but bug bounty is such a program which where the ethical hackers already out there who were hacking their systems and finding the vulnerabilities. After the finding the vulnerabilities, they have to report to the organization. Okay, how they will announce the program? This is a very important stage, how they will announce and where they will announce. Okay, because you can see that there are third party websites are there in the world. Example of this bug crowd and hackerone, integrity, svhack. These are the four major players in the whole world. They are right now doing the what we say bug bounty. They are the platforms where the bug bounty programs are announced. Okay, and one more thing is that why it matters. I have already explained why it matters, because penetration testing takes a more cost, but the bug bounty doesn't takes more cost. When you find a bug and you will report to the organization, then only that will the organization will pay. If you find a bug, then will pay, then it is not going to pay. For the penetration testers, if they find a bug or the vulnerability or not, they have to pay for the penetration testing pages. For that, to reduce the cost of penetration testing, they have announced the bug bounty programs in separate platforms. Okay, the one platform which I also recommend you to all to go through that is hackerone. Hackerone is a very important. Okay, and the next one is bug crowd. Hackerone has the largest community in the whole world. Okay, but the bug crowd is also my favorite one. Okay, and the next one is okay, I have already said you that how this works and all. I want to tell you exactly. Okay, see, one organization will register their company in a particular platforms like a hackerone or else the bug crowd. Okay, after that they will announce a program. Okay, announce a program where in that program they will define all the scopes, out of scope, and also policies and also rules which the security researcher have to be know that all. Because the means there are the domains. They will mention some domains, some IP addresses of their own websites. Okay, after that they will leave to the security researchers to find the bug. Okay, if the security researcher or the one who hunt the bug hunter, if they cross the limit, means they go the out of scope, means out of scope of their organization or out of scope of their policies and the rules they are defined, the security researcher has to be take care of all of this. Okay, this is a course I am launching now onwards. This will come on the episode by episode. Weekly 2 times I will upload the videos of the bug bounty programs. Okay, where you will learn from the basics to advance. Okay, see, this is a very important, because for this you have to subscribe to the channel. Because if you are a learner or a bug hunter who is already beginner, this is a video very important for them. This series is very important because nowadays bug hunting is changed. Okay, if you go through the YouTube videos which are 6 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, no, right now they are changing some policies. Hacker ones are also changing some policies, and also bug crowd is also changing policies. Why? Because they are getting more reports written by the AI. And also next one is I want to explain you that this scope is set, and then next the rules are set. After that they will announce the payouts. Payouts means how much pay they will pay for a particular bugs. Okay, means there are severities are there. Then P1, P2, P3, P5 up to P5. All the stack is come. Okay, P1 means lower severity. P1 means critical severity, and P2 means just high security. Next, P3 means just medium security. P4 means lowest security. P5 is it is a information. We call it as a information disclosure, which is already out there public, which has not to be out. Okay. Okay, now next part comes. Next part is for the researchers, especially for the researchers. This is a very important to know about that the what is the researcher has to do, what is the he has to take care of. Means example like what we say. Example is out of scope. If he gone out of scope of his security testing, then he will not going to get paid by the organization. It is a very common thing for the bug bounties. Now the researcher part comes. Researcher part, in the researcher is going to sign up first. After that sign up, he is going to set up his all accounts and all. After that, he is going to see the all the scope. He has to see the scope. Okay, after scope, and he has to start hunting. Okay, after the hunting is all the process is done, all the vulnerabilities are found, all the proof of concepts we have collected from the all the testing. Okay, after that you have to report. You have to write a report. Okay, in a such a way that providing all the proof of concepts. Okay, first point, this is a very important, providing all the proof of concept. And after that, next one is proof of concept is done. The next one, explaining why this matters for a business. What is the impact of a business? What is the impact of this vulnerability to the organization? This is you have to explain them in the report. Okay, then only they will value your report. Okay, this is a very important stage. Okay, these are the basic things you have to know before starting the technical, so that I'm doing these videos right now in these days. Okay, in future we are going to take you to the screen, and I'm going to explain you all the things, whatever, and how that works. Okay, in this video this is enough, because you have to know that how this works. Okay, in next video we are going to means next video means it will come in next week. Okay, okay, next week it will come. In next video I'm sure that I will give you the setup, Kali setup, Burp suite setup, and next one, what are the AI tools that you have to install in your Kali Linux, and so that you can automate some processes. Means example, recon is there. Recon you can automate the recons, means reconnaissance. Okay, these are the some things in this video I want to talk. This is going to be a series. Okay, this is going to be a series, part wise part. I'm going to upload the videos. Okay, so that we can't you can even we, means practical also. I'm uploading one theory, one practical, one theory, one practical. Okay, so stay tuned and do subscribe to the channel. That's it for the today's video. Okay, I think I have explained you well. Okay, please give a feedback in a comment section, so that I can improve, and also I can give you content, such a contents. Okay, so that you can stay here only in this channel, for this channel. Okay, that's it for the today. Bye.